Hello, as you can see, I'm redoing this cabinet. All you need is the front face of the cabinet, everything on the side. You know how you buy it from Home Depot, everything's on it. It's particle board. You know, once it's wet, it's all damaged. The only wood that they give you is the front face. And you know how your tenant never take care of the property. When your tenant never take care of the property, this is $150. Okay, so I'm buying the piece of wood. It's about $40 for a 4x8, and the back piece is 4x8. The tire board is 4x8. So so that's $20. And that's $40. So it's $60 to do the cabinet, to redo the cabinet. You can actually do this side also, side piece, but this is actually going to be covered anyway, so you don't need it. Alright, so I'm just going to do the back. As you can see, look at the back. So right here at the back, basically I'm going to do the floor. See, the floor is damaged. The floor, the bottom piece right here, go do that bottom piece, and the back. So we go do the floor, the back, and the bottom piece right here. So basically this is already rotten, so I'm going to cut that. Cut that, and that's mainly it. Let's see. Let's start by doing this. From here, you measure from here to here, that's 22.5. So I got my 22.5. Going to need a couple of saws that you need to do. So right here's 22.5. And as you can see, there you go. It's gonna be the floor. See it breaks? That's because if you were to tape it along the line, it would never break. Okay? So now we'll measure from 22.5. 22.5. So we go measure from here. Okay, this is a 36-inch cabinet, so within that groove is 35.5. Okay, so we got this from here to here. 5.5. So I'm just going to flip this over. Alright, so it's easy for me to do. Just go flip it like that. Which I don't have to. Knock that out. Move all that out. Yeah. Now you have it nice and fit over here. Okay. Go show you how it go lock any minute. Alright. Now today we're gonna cut that groove off. See it? That's how that's gonna be. Use a multi-tool. Okay. We go trim this out. See, sometimes I replace this whole thing, okay? But this time I'm not. See it? Perfect. See that? It's gonna be perfect. Okay. Basically. Just glue it.
Stop raining.
Shoot. Stop raining. Yeah, you want to come in it? Okay. Now you got that base. Okay. You got that base in it. Now you see how beautiful it is? how beautiful it is compared to what it was before. So what we have here now, you go insert this piece right here. You go insert this piece right here, as you can see. See? And that's it. So now all I need to do is paint it. Yeah. So that's it. That's all I need to do is paint it, and the rest is history. So it's usable, everything. Instead of paying another $150. If you like my video, please subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you. This is the cabinet. This is the base cabinet I just built. You see it? That's the base cabinet that we built. And then I sanded a little before I painted, before we're gonna paint it. Could have painted before we put it on, but as you can see, the bottom, and then